After subscribing to FleetLeads, complete the setup of your landing page. Then, contact Fleet Management Weekly for marketing support. You can cancel your subscription at any time during the 1-week trial at no cost. This setup guide will walk you through the following steps: updating your supplier profile, sharing your landing page with fellow fleet professionals, creating a QR code for use in your print and digital marketing campaigns, adding social media icons to your website, contacting Fleet Management Weekly for marketing support. To update your supplier profile, click on your profile icon and start here. Follow the instructions in the supplier profile video. The video will guide you to click on your profile icon, select My Company, and then My Technology. Choose the technology you would like to update and click the Edit button. In Step 2, you can share your landing page with fellow fleet professionals using the link containing your proprietary access code. To find it, click the 9-dot menu in the top right corner of the home page and select Share. At the bottom of the page, you will find a hyperlink to a registration page that links the user to your landing page. Use this link in your digital marketing communications and newsletters. You can copy this link to create a QR code for use in both your print and digital communications. It's advisable to use an app that generates a permanent QR code, such as the one available on the QR code generator website. This will ensure your QR code remains valid and accessible for a longer period, making it easier for your audience to access your landing page and stay connected to your company from the start. In Step 4, once you've subscribed, you can add the FleetWiki social media icon to your website. To do this, click on your profile icon, then go to My Company and My Technologies, and select Edit. Scroll to the bottom of the page that opens. There, you will find the code for placing the social media icon on your web pages. Provide this code to your webmaster to add the social media icon to your customer portal and other pages on your website. Please note that the social media icon contains the same access code as your share link. When fleet professionals register by clicking the social media icon, they will sign in to your landing page. Here, your supplier profile is prominently displayed at the top of the homepage, alongside the profile of their local Clean Cities Coalition partner. Your proprietary landing page ensures that your company gains visibility among your target audience. With the setup complete, you can now download FleetLeads records for your marketing initiatives. Follow the same procedure you used to download your sample FleetLeads file. Click your profile icon and select FleetLeads from the drop-down menu. It's recommended to watch the FleetLeads overview video again to gain a comprehensive understanding of how it works. After that, you can select and download FleetLeads records for use in your marketing communications and CRM applications. FleetLeads is a proven tool for acquiring new customers. Fleet Management Weekly, Brand Acceleration, offers a portfolio of FleetLeads campaign templates that can be customized to support your brand. For example, Fleet Management Weekly will post custom editorial content in their e-newsletter and on fleetmanagementweekly.com. Additionally, they will send a custom e-blast promoting your brand to over 22,000 fleet professionals. Use the link provided for more details. FleetLeads is designed to be user-friendly. However, we understand that you might need to contact the FleetLeads support team or Fleet Management Weekly, Brand Acceleration for assistance. To contact the FleetLeads support team, click your profile icon and then select Contact Us. To contact Fleet Management Weekly, Brand Acceleration, use the provided link. Use these forms to send us a message, and you will receive a response via email as soon as possible. We are here to ensure you have the best experience possible with FleetLeads and our new marketing support programs.